Life is louder than ever. And society is ready for a new type of hearing protection. One that still protects, but doesn't disconnect from the exciting world around you. Because one of the major problems with modern hearing protection is that it leaves the wearer completely isolated from their environment. So we developed a new type of earplug, one that allows users to choose between connection and protection with the simple click of a button.
I've worn hearing aids since I was 4. In fact, Dr. Bauman was actually my childhood audiologist. So when he and his co-inventor Ralph Campagna approached me about the revolutionary idea to develop the world's first transparent earplug, I was ecstatic.
Hearing damage is unrepairable. Once it's gone, it's gone.
And when you hear ringing in your ears, what's happening is that's the body creating the sound that it can no longer hear.
As an entrepreneur in the live event space, I immediately saw the potential in the concept, because I knew that there had to be a better way to be able to protect your ears while still being able to communicate with your friends. That's why we created Unplugs. Not earplugs, Unplugs. One click for 20 decibels of protection during your loudest moments. And another click to instantly connect with those around you. Your sound world, your control. When clicked, our patented mechanism opens up a series of tiny ear vents inside the earplug. These precision-engineered vents allow sound to flow from the outside world naturally through the earplug into your open ear canal. Click again and those vents close completely, blocking you from harmful noise. No electronics, no batteries, no need to use an app on your phone. This isn't new technology, it's perfected technology. Our audiologist has spent over a decade refining every aspect of this design to make sure that it is ready for you. We're going to play some loud music. You're going to react to it and see if you can tell the difference between protection mode and connection mode.
Cool.
Ready?
Wow. I can hear you loud and clear. This is impressive.
That's crazy. We're different.
I can hear you perfectly, and I can still enjoy the music.
Still hear the music, but like more of my surroundings.
It's like there's a veil that comes off of you.
Sound control at your fingertips. Our patented click mechanism gives you the power to choose what you hear at the simple click of a button.
It doesn't matter if you're a music person, right? You rely on communication with the people around you to have fulfilling experiences in your life.
We're working with world-class audiologists on this who knows exactly what this product needs to accomplish.
When it's in the open mode, the goal is to copy the natural resonant acoustics of the ear canal.
The product itself has universal appeal because we all experience times in our lives when you kind of want to block out sounds from the outside world.
We do know that we can take our expertise and make a real difference here and create something that solves a problem for people.
Wear them for hours without discomfort or fatigue. Keep switching sound modes when you need to without ever having to remove unplugs from your ear.
Our unique triangular design nestles into your ear for a perfect fit and all-day comfort.
We're always in reach. Our compact carrying case clips securely to your bag, belt, or purse, keeping your unplugs protected and accessible wherever you go. Attach a fit wing for the most optimal fit in the ear if you're going to jump around or you're going to be moving a lot. We built Unplugs because we believe that the world needs a new set of tools for healthy hearing. And we believe that people deserve to hear their life fully, without compromise.
Protection without isolation. Connection without limits. Your ears, your rules. Unplugs.